Hello everyone and welcome to this learning video. And this time I will review how to conjugate regular verbs in the present tense. So let's get started. First of all, as you have probably learned in class, there are three kinds of verbs in Spanish: the AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. And let's see a few examples of those. Hablar, which means to speak; comer, which means to eat; vivir, which means to live. Now notice that I have used a dash to show you the portion that represents the verb. In other words, hablar, it's an AR verb, and it is important for you to see that because later on as we conjugate the verb, that's the part that we need to drop in order to replace it with the respective conjugation. So let's take a look at that now. Take a look at the verb hablar and see how it is conjugated. Now notice that I have highlighted in red the portion that has changed in order to make the conjugation. That part is called the stem or the suffix, and notice how it's different for each pronoun, each person. So for yo, we say hablo, then tú hablas, then él, ella, usted habla, then nosotros hablamos, and finally ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. Let me say it again. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, and hablan. Okay, so now let's see how we conjugate the verb comer. Yo como, tú comes, él, ella, usted come, nosotros comemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. Again, como, comes, come, comemos, comen. Now let's see how we conjugate the verb vivir. Yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella, usted vive, nosotros vivimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven. Now notice that the conjugation for comer and vivir are the same except for the conjugation for nosotros, which for comer it changes to y, while for vivir it changes to I. So notice the conjugation of the three verbs. For hablar we say hablamos, for comer comemos, and vivir vivimos. So those two verbs, the ER verb and IR verb, have the same conjugation except for nosotros, and they are also different from hablar. So with this, we finish this video, and thanks for watching.